Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2020. Here is your virtual learning schedule for today. We're going to start with our small groups, starting at 9 a.m. With Colin, Lucas, Natalia, Lucy, and Claire. At 9:20, we have a small group meeting with Beatrice, Adi, Ayushi, Michaela, and Zane. Group 3, we have at 10 o'clock is Hassan, Sophia, Liam, and Taylor. And group 4 is at 10:20 with Aiden, Alec, Flavia, Galina, and Sanjay. Here is the meeting link, so you should be able to just click the link, and I've already sent this to moms and dads to join the meeting. Okay. Here we go. Is our math lesson today that we have. Shh. Sorry. Here's our math lesson today, and you are going to continue with partitioning shapes, okay, into halves, and then into fourths, into quarters, right? So if I cut something into half, right, that means there's 2 equal parts, and then if I cut that into 4 equal parts, okay, then it's half of a half. We're going to kind of play with that a little bit more, because if this is half, right, I could partition it this way, I could cut it in half this way, and I could cut it in half this way. So this is making 2 halves down here, and then there's 2 halves up here as well. So watch the video, and you're going to have 2 activities when you go on to your seesaw activity, where you have a review page, and then you also have some shapes to cut into and partition into halves as well. Okay, so have fun with this fractions activity. And then for social studies, we are going to continue talking about urban, suburban, and rural. And you are going to complete the activity about your own community. Okay, your own community, and you're just going to answer the questions. So you're going to find some pictures of your community that you can put and you can share about your own community. So Miss Maxwell explains the community from Singapore, where I went to school, as an urban community, and you can look at the pictures and you can see some things that describe an urban community. So then in the sentences, you say, I live in a blank, so apartment or house, and blank. So is it close to, far from, apart, or other homes? There are blank, many, or a few shops. Okay. There are blank. Would it be a lot of or a few people that live in my community? And for fun, what's something that you do, and what's 2 things that you do in your in your community for fun? Okay, this will just help us learn the differences between the urban, suburban, and the rural different communities. Okay. We're going to continue with the March Book Madness from last week. Nobody Likes a Goblin has beaten out The Princess Pit Stop. All right. And this week we're going to be voting for Her Fearless Run against It's Not Hansel and Gretel. So the winner will move on to what's called the quarterfinals, right? So that there's 4 books left. Next week we'll vote on Game Changers and Rescue and Jessica, and then Mission to Space and Penguins Fly Home, and then we'll vote on those 2, and that will go to the championship round. All right. So here are the links for Her Fearless Run and It's Not Hansel and Gretel. You can click on those. We will be voting in our class meeting tomorrow. Okay, we'll be voting for these books. So try to make sure you listen to them, watch them, get ready to make your vote. Continue with, you have already the music and the world music and art activity link. You'll have your own world language link there. I have a little game, a little activity for you. So can you guess your classmates' top 5 things to do during lockdown? So yesterday you wrote your top 10 things, but I took 5 of those top things that you do during lockdown from 3 of our classmates. Can you guess whose top 5 activities is this one? Who likes playing basketball, reading, playing tennis, playing PS4, and watching TV? We're going to vote, or not vote, you can just tell me who you think your answers are in our small group meeting today. Who likes to surf at the beach on a boogie board? Who likes to swim in the pool, go fishing, play Roblox, and speaking with my grandparents? Who likes those things? Who likes to FaceTime with dad, playing with mom, playing with my sister, reading books about animals, and setting the table at lunch? Which is a really nice thing to do that you should do with your family. All right. I was going to kind of continue with more of these tomorrow, and we can vote on, or you can play along the game, and you can see whose activities these were. All right. Extra links, we have Khan Academy, we have Freckle, we have GeoBoard. One student I met with yesterday, Aiden, has been working really hard on Khan Academy, which is awesome. And I hope that more of you can continue working on Freckle or Khan Academy to really work on those math skills to get ready for third grade. Okay, this is a really good way to prepare yourself for math in third grade, because then it will give you like third grade math problems, or farther, harder, more challenging second grade math problems for you to work on. Okay, other than that is all for today. So I will see you at our small group meeting here at your time. There we go. Have a wonderful morning, everybody. Okay, bye-bye.